Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about list functions. Len returns number of elements in the list. Max returns the element in the list with maximum value. List converts sequence into list. Sorted returns a new sorted list. Append adds a value at the end of the list. Extend is used to extend a list with other list. Extend is used to extend a list with other list. Count is used to find the occurrence of item in the list. Index is used to find the index of a particular item. Insert is used to insert the item in a specific place. Remove is used to remove the item from specific place. Pop is used to see removed item. Reverse is used to reverse a list. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe.